Tired of spending hours listening back to call recordings? Let's unlock the power of AI to revolutionize your lead follow-up using Follow-Up Boss. First, click on your profile icon located in the top right-hand corner of your Follow-Up Boss dashboard. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Administration. This will take you to the Administration Settings page where you can manage various account features. Next, scroll down the page until you find the Integrations section. Here you'll see a list of available integrations for your Follow-Up Boss account. Click on Phone and Texting. This will display all of your phone integration settings. Now, locate the AI Call Summaries toggle. Simply flip the switch to enable AI Call Summaries for your account. A confirmation window will pop up, briefly explaining the feature and any associated costs or usage limitations. Review the information carefully and then click Enable to confirm. Once enabled, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, Follow-Up Boss will automatically transcribe and summarize your calls, saving you valuable time and helping you nurture more leads. You'll find these AI summaries conveniently located within each contact's profile, providing you with instant insights and helping you prioritize your follow-up efforts. Start leveraging AI Call Summaries today and transform the way you manage your leads.